health kick? Is that why you clicked this video? Or are you eating probably the same thing all the time and you're looking for a change up? Which, to be honest, that's not a bad thing. So I'm here to give you a few of my favorite easy, healthy breakfast ideas that are minimal ingredients, because just like you, I am super busy and I don't have time for these grand, extravagant recipes whenever I try to look up healthy breakfast ideas. So I've got a bunch of different ideas that's gonna please your taste buds, your wallet, and your body. My first meal is my absolute favorite. I have had this in my breakfast idea bank for over 2 years now, and it's gonna be avocado toast with a spin. So let me show you what the ingredients are. Here are the ingredients for avocado toast. Notice the bread that I use is actually sprouted wheat. So one slice is 80 calories. It's a different texture for sure, but if you're trying to swap something healthy, coconut oil spray, which is a healthier option. And okay, this is a big avocado. I usually buy the mini ones from Trader Joe's, but they weren't ready. You should not be eating a whole avocado. That is not healthy. It is so high in fat. You need to save it and figure out some hack to save it. And here's where it gets different. I'm gonna fry my egg, and then once I'm done frying it, I'm gonna put balsamic on it and red pepper, which is chili pepper, because that is going to give it a little kick. And then if that's not your style, you can always put it everything but the bagel seasoning, which I actually do above my avocado. So let's start cooking. Not laugh at this healthy breakfast idea, because this has to be the healthiest and something that I ate when I was counting my macros, and that's going to be boiled eggs. So what you're seeing here is after I boil the egg, I always put it in cold water so then I can easily peel it quickly, then it calms the egg down. I cook it for about 8 minutes in boiled water, and these, I know they're not the most luxurious breakfast food, but they're something that you can easily pack and take to school with you the next day. And you can see the hot sauce right here. I like to put a little bit of salsa or hot sauce on it to spice it up, and it's gonna be a fun way to dress it up, if boiled eggs even considered fun. Here's all the ingredients used for this meal. You can pick whichever bell pepper you love the most. I'm gonna throw some baby spinach in there and rip it apart. This is, you can use, I try to use like light egg whites. And then this is amazing. I'm sure you've probably already heard about this. And then coconut oil spray because it's a healthier option. My next 3 healthy breakfast ideas are going to use pretty much similar items. This one is overnight oats, so I'm showing you a slew of different ingredients that you can add into your overnight oats. I ended up picking up this honey. I was like, what? Hawaiian macadamia nut, yum. I also put almond butter, but I really checked the portions because if you put too much of it, then it ends up not being healthy. And I also read that if you use this dried fruit, it would last better in your overnight oats. So I'm trying this out for the first time, and just so you know, I'm using steel cut oats, which is actually not ideal for your overnight oats. What I find is if I do use steel cut oats, they're more heartier and I feel like I get more of a chew, but it has to sit longer than a day. So keeping that in mind when you're making it, and yes, I'm sure you're looking at my overnight oats and you're thinking, oh my goodness, she used water and not milk. So if you're going to use milk, I suggest like unsweetened almond milk or something along that sort. I'm just using water because that's just always what I've done, but you may not like it, so to each his own. Okay, so I am an egg girl. I love eggs. I could eat them every day for breakfast, but it is nice to change it up. So I threw in a quick yogurt idea. You could keep all of this stuff in your teacher fridge and keep a bunch of these already in your fridge. I like the Icelandic skyr. I don't know, maybe it's because I went to Iceland and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. But it has 15 grams of protein and it's low fat. And it's technically not yogurt. I think it's a probiotic. Is that what that is? I don't know, something like that. So I'm gonna show you just the different things that you could put in it to dress it up. I don't think you should put everything in there because it all adds up if you're trying to be healthy. So for instance, if you're gonna add granola, if you put 2/3 of a cup, that's 280 calories, 37 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of sugar. So this is more if you're trying to get to that healthy lifestyle, but you still need a crunch in the morning. I like to chew, so I definitely throw a little bit in there, and I'll show you what you can put in. I hope this video inspired you for tomorrow's breakfast. Comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. If you liked this video, please be sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more content from me. I am so appreciative of you watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and eat one of these breakfast ones right now, and I will see you in my next video.